Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Friday, the 17th of April. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of the day and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts, and I'm not here to shoot trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ccmcrypto.substack.com, and it's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Okay, we are seeing some more progress to the upside here. I think what's likely happening here is we are forming larger flags. I've got that marked up on the 15-minute and where I would ideally like to see this go. But we've seen a higher high on Bitcoin overnight. And we've still got an RSI 14 sell signal fixed, but that's now reached the possible near miss target. We still do have RSI 5 sell signals fixed on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'm thinking this move probably won't last that long, and then those will likely play out. And I'm not seeing anything currently to suggest that we're not forming flags here. In terms of where we are on, hang on, wait a second, let's just change the scale. That's very slightly. All right, in terms of where we are in terms of the flags, this is the original flag and the possible extended flag we're looking at here. I've got the ideal flag resistance, although it doesn't need to be this trend line, currently in about the 79,000 area, and we've made a higher high overnight, and I'm thinking we may well get there. We shall see. Kind of depends also what's happening on equities, but at the moment, equities are still powering higher on optimism over the war, even if the thing to that frankly seems likely misplaced. But you know, it's that's okay. It's given me my high retests on equities, which, assuming it doesn't just run away from here, which seems profoundly unlikely, but you know, could happen, gives me larger topping patterns, which I'll be looking at in the equity side. But looking at Solana, again, we've gone a bit higher. We had a spike up from about 83 to 90.5 last night. We've seen a bit of a pullback. I was actually looking at that. I friended a trade there. So, but this is the IHS, which is broken up with a target of 97.66. I'm thinking might actually have a shot at making target. Looking at what was happening last night, I was thinking might see a back test of this high here at about 87.11. We got down to 87.40. This looks like a flag likely formed already that's broken up, so I'm thinking we'll probably head back up into the 90.5 area, but we will see how that goes. From there, we could get back to 97.66, and this flag could expand as well. It doesn't absolutely have to do that, but we will see. I do actually have a slightly messy looking head and shoulders here, which is marked up, which is but hasn't got a note here, which is actually broken down with the target at 71. And to break that one, we need to get over 93.43, which we haven't done yet. All right, looking at Ethereum. Ethereum has gone higher as well. On the daily chart, we've still got an RSI 5 sell signal here. Looking at the flag in close-up, I'm looking at two trend lines here. This would be possible flag channel resistance, which I've got in about the 2470 area, and I've got the possible trend line resistance here, which is the nicer trend line in about the 2600 area. Don't know if it's going to get up that far, but it has made a new rally high. So that's what I've drawn in as the possible target from there. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. No questions. Everyone take care, and I will catch you guys on Monday. Everyone have a great weekend. All right, cheers.